Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello students, in this question given as a man which have the velocity initially is 6 meter per second and their initial position is minus 9. At this velocity position is minus 9 meter and the acceleration is minus 1 meter per second square. Now in the first part of the question we have to calculate the displacement at the time 3 second and 9 second. So according to this the formula is, we know that the displacement, that is delta x, or we can write this is x final position minus initial position is equals to ut plus half at square. Now according to this the position, final position is minus, initial position is given as minus 9 meter is equals to, let we have to calculate the at time t is equals to 3 second. So this will be equal to the initial velocity is 6 meter into time is 3 plus half minus 1 into 3 is square. So after calculation we will get the final position of the man is equals to at time 3 second is equals to 4.5 meter. Now next at time t is equals to 9 second. So final position minus that will be the same is equals to, but 6 into 9 plus half into minus 1 into 9 square. So after simplification we will get the final position is equals to again 4.5 meter. In the next part we have to calculate the velocity at time 3 and 9 second. So the formula is final velocity is equals to v is equals to u plus at. So according to this, at t is equals to 3 second, velocity will be equal to the initial velocity is given is 6 meter per second plus minus 1 into 3. So this velocity will be equal to the 3 meter per second. Now next at t is equals to 9 second, v will be equal to the 6 plus minus 1 into 9. So after calculation this will be equal to the v is equals to minus 3 meter per second. In the next part we can see that the velocity have same magnitude but direction is changing. We can see above 3 meter per second and minus 3 meters, but the acceleration is constant and not changing direction. In the next part of the question we have to find the velocity at t is equals to 6 second. Now we can see that the velocity is equals to initial is 6 plus minus acceleration minus 1 into 6. So this will be equal to the 0. Now we can say that the at t is equals to 6 second, velocity will change direction. In the next part of the question we have to find the relation between the position and the time. So let us consider the final velocity. Let final velocity is 1 meter per second. Then at this, and initial velocity is 6 meter per second as given in the question. So this is 1 is equals to 6 plus a is acceleration is minus 1 meter per second square. So this is into t. Now time at this time will be equal to the 5 second. Now let if v is equals to 1 meter per second final velocity and time is equals to 0, then we can see that the initial will be equal to the final. So this is initial let prime is equals to 1 meter per second at time is equals to 0. Now at turning point, like at t is equals to 6 second, v prime will be equal to the u prime plus at. So according to this, 1 plus minus 1 into 6 is equals to minus 5 meter per second. Now we will substitute their values. Xf minus 18 meter is equals to 1 into t plus half into minus 1 into t square. Now this is the equation between the final position and the time. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.